because we have the talent. Not just city government, county government, and the school board, but it's just in the chamber and the economic development. We got people that's willing and ready to help. You have Mr. Thorne that came in, that's over the Vicksburg Convention Center, that came out of Texas. Where there's different ideas that he did in Texas, different things that he saw in Texas that can be used right here. But how many people have asked him, what do you suggest? What are some of the things you think we need to do here that will help bring more things to Vicksburg? And that's what we need to do. Anytime you got new people coming in, we need to have somebody addressing them or asking them, how can we help? Give us some suggestions that we can target. And all it takes is just some people working together so that we can do that.
People need to be open-minded.
Open-minded, but because we are the engineering capital of the world.
Yes, we are.
And all these folks that come in, I mean, they always are out there willing and ready to help and to assist in any kind of way that they can.